Hi everybody, it's Lauren Brown, also known as Raggedy Royal on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and now YouTube. And today we're going to be doing this vibrant blue bold lip combo. Yes, we are. Happy National Lipstick Day if you're in the United States. If you're not, Happy International Lipstick Day. That's probably breaking some rule. But anyways, I have a whole bunch of lip combos coming out today. So thank you so much for watching the blue one. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about anything that's on my face, don't worry because I have a tutorial for every single part of it. The brows, the waterline, how to apply faux lashes, my entire base routine, blush 101, setting powder 101, all of the videos. So we're going to get into the lips, and then if you want to venture off and figure out anything from my face, I got you. Let's get right into the video. If at any point in this video you enjoy yourself, you know what I mean? You learn something, you just liking videos, go ahead and like this video down below and subscribe. We are on our way to 50,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody who is here all of the time. And let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so before we add any lip product, we are going to highlight the Cupid's bow. I'm going to take this Estate Makeup Highlighter in Lunar. It's a cream highlighter. You can choose whatever highlighter you may like. And I'm going to apply this to the Cupid's bow. What is your Cupid's bow? Why are we highlighting it? Your Cupid's bow is the V right at the top, where the left side of your top lip and the right side of your top lip meet. Make that little V. Now, Cupid's bow come in different shapes and sizes. Maybe yours is less defined than mine, maybe more defined than mine, maybe bigger, maybe smaller, but that is where your Cupid's bow is. We're gonna highlight that. So I'm gonna use my finger since it's such a small area. I'm gonna put my finger right in the highlighter. It's a really nice consistency, like, ooh. And I'm going to apply it right to the Cupid's bow. Okay, now the reason why we highlight the Cupid's bow is we want to attract the eye there. That's whenever you add highlight on the face, that's what you're adding it for. You're adding it to attract the eye there. But more importantly, the contrast of the liner on top of that super light highlight is going to make the lip liner look way sharper right there and really accentuate the shape of the lips. Next, we're gonna go in with our lip liner shade. Now, in makeup, lip liners are used for different reasons. Some people use lip liners to keep their lipstick on. It's not for look, right? It's for long wear. Sometimes people use a lip liner and lipstick the exact same shade because they just want to keep their lipstick and their lip products on. That's not how I use it. I usually use lip liner or, the shade that goes on the perimeter. For one, accentuating the shape of the lip and really, getting that shape there, emphasizing that, and to the color ombre. So today we're going to be using black for this blue lip mulling. And this is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in 28. You can use a black liquid lipstick, you use a black cream lipstick, you can also use a black gel liner. I have one on my desk. Here. So this is the one from About Face. A black gel liner also works here. Sometimes my gel liners go into my waterline. Sometimes they turn into lip pencils. So whatever, you want to use here, you're going to use the shade black. And I'm going to start on the right side of my bottom lip. I'm going to make a line all the way underneath my bottom lip. Boom, just like that, right? I like to use the sharper edge of the doe foot applicator. So that's the pointy side, just to make this as sharp as possible. There we go. Now I'm going to align the top. I'm going to go over the top of the left side. Go back into the product because you see when it starts making those little itty bitty lines, it means you're not using enough product. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just getting those lines nice and straight. And let's talk about overlining, right? So I do slightly overline my lips, not because of the size. Sometimes people overline their lips because they're like, I want them to appear bigger. I'm fine with the size of my lips. I just like to accentuate the shape, and going a little bit out of the shape of my lips really gives it that dimension and accentuates the shape of my lips. Really getting those lines nice and sharp and clean. I also like to add just a little bit to the corners here, because I like the way that it blends later. Now we're gonna add our filler color. So if you've ever seen any of my lip combo tutorials, if you haven't, stay around. I have a lot on my page. Happy National Lipstick Day. But if you've never seen one of my lip combo videos, I'll basically give you a standard formula routine recipe that I use. You have your shade for your lip liner, right? Your darkest shade. Then you have the filler color, right? So that's the color that is going to be the main color of the lip. We're going to be using this bright blue today. And then in the center of the lip, you're going to have a shade that is the lightest shade that's going to really tie the whole ombre together and open up the center of the lip. So this is going to be our filler shade today. This is the color Raine Liquid Lipstick in Royal. You can use any blue that you have. That's fine. That's fine. Just follow along with the steps. And I'm going to add it right in to the lip. Yes. I do not get to wear this blue lip combo as much as like I would like to. I should. I love this. I love blue lipstick. I maybe put a picture to the side of me in blue lipstick when I was younger. Like, I have always loved blue lipstick. I'm gonna let that dry down a little bit because it is a very wet liquid lipstick. I'm gonna take this flat brush. This is a Morphe M166 and just start to lightly, you know, blend together the blue and black. Cause it's an ombre, right? So it's not like grass and a fence, where it's like the grass is a hard stop here and then there's the fence. You want it to blend into one another. So it's not black then blue. It's black and blue, creating that ombre. You can also do this if you're on the go, which I do most of the time. You can also use your finger, but since we are here, you can also use this flat brush. And I think the flat brush does get the best result when blending lip. Now, if you get any lipstick outside of where you want it, you can take a flat brush. This is a Morphe M410, and you can just add a little bit of foundation. And clean that up. Now and I'm gonna also add a little bit of loose setting powder and try to. Some colors are gonna be easier than others. As you can see, this one's a hard one because blue. What I would not recommend is taking a makeup wipe and trying to wipe it off. The reason why is because if you have no makeup on, no face makeup on, that's cool. I have on face makeup, right? So I have on layers of foundation and powder. If I take the makeup wipe and wipe off the lipstick, I'm really gonna wipe off all the makeup underneath as well. And that can get patchy, that can get messy. So I like to just take my little square brush and to the best of my ability, clean it up. But it is kind of hard to like make it blend still. So if you can, you know, not get it outside the lines, I'd recommend that the most. Now here's the point where I give you, you know, agency. If you say, oh, I need a little bit more of a dark shade, go ahead and add that black. If you're feeling like, okay, this looks like a black lip, not a blue lip, go ahead and add that blue. It's just like how I say in eyeshadow tutorials, like, you know, I am here to give you the tips and the tutorial and, you know, the step-by-step. I want you to feel confident enough to look in the mirror and say, oh, this needs more of this. That's why I try to tell you why we do what we do. So, if you need more of that dark shade, go ahead and add that black. If you want a little bit more of the filler shade, go ahead and add that blue. Boom. And now we're ready to move on to our next step. So I'm going to be using the About Face Matte Fluid Eye Paint in Who Are You Blue Monday. Now, you can put this on the back of your hand. You can put this on the little brush. I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to apply that right to the center of the lip. So just a small amount right to the center of the lip. This is going to attract the eye to the center of the lip, really blow out that shape, that definition is gonna be great. If you don't have a lipstick that matches this color, or this is literally for any color, it doesn't have to be just light blue. If you don't have a lipstick that matches the shade that you are going for, try eyeshadow. So I'm pretty sure I've done this lip combo before with blue eyeshadow. So just do that. I use that all the time. Especially if you want it to perfectly match something, go ahead and get the eyeshadow. Now you might say, Lauren, it looks too light. You're gonna go in with that little bit of blue. You got this. You got this. Don't even worry about it. Go overthink it. You got this. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Here is the lip. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Ruby Kisses Jelly Lippies lip gloss, and this is just a clear one. And I'm going to put this right on top. Yes. So, just in case you were wondering what it looks like with a little bit of gloss, here it is. Bow, bow, bow. I feel like it gives me very superhero. And I mean that in the best way. I mean that best way. But yes, here is the lip glossy. So let me know down below if you like it more glossy or matte. Let's skedaddle on to the outro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below. We're working towards 50,000 subscribers. Thanks so much for watching this. Okay, aggressive. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoy lip combo videos, if you want to try out different colors, you're already bold, you're here for blue. So I know, you may be into some other bold colors. Check out my lip combo playlist. Happy National Lipstick Day. If there's any colors that I have not done that you want me to do, put them down below. I will be happy to do them. I love making these lip combo videos. And yes, if you want to recreate this, please do. Please do. And also tag me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all at Raggedy Royal. Same way it's spelled down below, so I can see your recreations. That's one of the best parts about my job. Also, you can check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, so that you can see more of me, more of my life. We do a lot of different things on a lot of different apps, including the Lauren Summer Bucket List, where I try different foods, activities, challenges, and cuisines. It's a ball. I literally have my sketchbook right here of all the things on the 2024 bucket list. So many things. We recently just made bread from scratch for the first time. So many things. Check out TikTok for that. Also, I'm starting to post them on YouTube Shorts. And that is all for me today. I will see you in the next video.